Destroying negative beliefs is an essential step toward personal growth, happiness, and success. Negative beliefs can limit your potential and hold you back from achieving your goals. Here are steps you can take to challenge and eliminate them. 1. Identify your negative beliefs. The first step is becoming aware of the negative beliefs that are holding you back. These can be about yourself, others, or the world. Common negative beliefs include: I'm not good enough. I don't deserve happiness. Success is for other people, not for me. The world is unfair. Action: write them down. Awareness is crucial, and seeing them on paper helps to bring them into the light. 2. Question the validity of the belief. Once you've identified the negative belief, it's time to challenge its accuracy. Often, negative beliefs are based on fear or past experiences, but they're not necessarily true. Ask yourself, is this belief absolutely true? What evidence supports or contradicts this belief? Where did this belief come from, e.g., childhood, society, an experience? If a friend had this belief, what would I tell them? Example: if you believe I'm not good enough, ask yourself, when did I decide this? What is good enough? Are there times in my life when I've been good enough? The goal is to break the belief's power by proving that it is not based on facts. 3. Reframe the belief. Once you've challenged the belief, reframe it into a positive or more realistic statement. Reframing doesn't mean blindly adopting positive thinking. It means shifting to a more empowering perspective. Examples of reframing: I'm not good enough. I have the potential to improve and grow. I always fail. Failure is a part of the learning process. I don't deserve success. Everyone, including me, deserves success when they put in effort. Action: write down your negative beliefs, and beside each one, write its reframed positive counterpart. Read the positive reframes daily. 4. Take small positive actions. Beliefs are reinforced through experience. Once you've reframed your negative belief, take small actions to prove the new belief is true. These actions should align with your positive reframe. Example: if you've reframed I'm not good enough to I have the potential to grow, take small actions that demonstrate growth, like learning a new skill, setting a small goal, or practicing something that challenges you. Action: start with manageable goals and track your progress. Each achievement, no matter how small, weakens the old belief and strengthens the new one. 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. The environment you're in plays a crucial role in shaping your beliefs. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you, and avoid those who reinforce negative thinking. Action: seek mentors, supportive friends, or groups where positivity and growth are encouraged. Consume content, books, podcasts, videos that inspire confidence, resilience, and a growth mindset. 6. Practice self-compassion. Negative beliefs often come from being overly critical of oneself. Practicing self-compassion allows you to treat yourself with the same kindness you would extend to a friend who is struggling. Action: when you notice self-criticism, pause and ask, would I say this to a friend? Replace harsh judgments with understanding and patience. Remind yourself that it's okay to make mistakes and that you're a work in progress. 7. Use affirmations and visualization. Positive affirmations and visualization can help reprogram your subconscious mind to support new, empowering beliefs. Repeating positive affirmations helps counteract negative self-talk. Action: write a list of affirmations that align with the new beliefs you're trying to instill. Examples: I am capable of achieving my goals. I am worthy of love and success. I have the power to change my thoughts. Visualize yourself living according to these new beliefs. Picture yourself succeeding, being happy, and overcoming challenges. 8. Challenge negative self-talk daily. Negative beliefs often express themselves as negative self-talk. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and challenge it. Action: when you notice a negative thought, immediately ask, is this thought helpful? Is it based on fact or fear? Replace the negative thought with a positive or neutral one. Over time, this will become a habit. 9. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the good things in your life helps shift your mindset away from negativity. Gratitude rewires your brain to notice positive aspects of your experiences, making it harder for negative beliefs to take root. Action. Start a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small. Regularly remind yourself of past successes and moments of joy. 10. Seek professional help if needed. If your negative beliefs are deeply ingrained or tied to traumatic experiences, working with a therapist or coach can be immensely helpful. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, for example, is a proven method for challenging and changing negative thought patterns. Action. Consider reaching out to a therapist, counselor, or coach if you're finding it difficult to break free from negative beliefs on your own. Conclusion. Overcoming negative beliefs is not an overnight process. It requires persistence, self-reflection, and practice. However, by identifying and challenging these beliefs, reframing them in a positive light, and taking consistent actions aligned with your new perspective, you can free yourself from the limitations of negative thinking. Your beliefs shape your reality, and by transforming them, you can create a more fulfilling, empowered life.